Ardingly Astana today is going to share with Ardingly College, through Laura here, a very special gift, a sapling apple tree. As you all know, all apples in the world originate from the beautiful country of Kazakhstan. And as part of developing our strong links between the two schools, today we are donating some apple trees to Ardingly College in the UK, which we hope will be planted at Ardingly College and will grow and produce wonderful fruit as we grow our own personal fruit here and develop them into wonderful people.
Thank you very much. I'm delighted to be taking these back with us. Thank you very much, Ivet. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Jones.